Hello, assalamu alaikum all viewers. Today we have exercise 7.2, question number 2. Now try to solve 8 plus 3 under the root b is equal to 20. How we can calculate the value of b is unknown. So in this type of question, in the radical equation, first of all we find the value of b, then we check verification is must in this question. So now we try to eliminate variables and constant to each other. 8 is constant, we transfer to the right side, their symbol is also changed. 3 under root b is equal to 20 minus 8. Now we subtract 20 minus 8 is equal to 12. Now dividing both sides by 3. So 3 divide on each side, 12 divided by 3, both are cancelled, 3 and 3 and 12 is also cancelled, we get 4. B square root is equal to 4. Now we try to finish in here, square root, we are taking square on both sides. B square root, square, both the square root and square root are cancelled. Square root and square are cancelled to each other. We get 4. B is equal to 4 multiplied by 4, 16. Now we try to check in the original question the answer are same or not. So otherwise, if both are not same, so answer will be empty set in the case of radical equation. So now we replace the value of b is equal to 16. In the place of b we put here 16 is equal to 20. 8 plus 3 square root, and we can write 4 square, this will be equal to 20. Square root and square are cancelled. We 8 plus 3 into 4 is equal to 20. 8 plus 12, 3 multiplied by 4, we get 12 is equal to 20. 20 is equal to 20. Hence we can say that our solution set is 16. Now another question, we tried question number 4. 8 under the root of r minus 5 under root of r plus 9, and how we can find the value of r is unknown. So now we can also eliminate to separate the variables and constant to each others. Now 8 under the root of r minus r under the root, here is positive sign is transferred to the left side, their sign is also changed, and here 9 minus 8, 9 plus 5, sorry, that one is plus 5, we can change in here. Now the coefficient of the r square root is here is 8 and minus 1, we get 8 minus 1, 7 under the root r is equal to 9 plus 5, we get 14. Now dividing both sides by 7, 7 are cancelled to each other, r square root is equal to 7 and 14 are also cancelled to each other, we get 2. Now taking square on both sides, r square root square is equal to 2 square square root, and square are cancelled, r is equal to 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Now we try to check, because in square root problem we must check the answer. We replace in original question, in place of r we put the value of 4. 8 into r square root minus 5 is equal to r square root plus 9. We replace the value of r and we get in here 8 and 2 square minus 5 is equal to 2 square plus 9. Square root and square are cancelled to each other. 8 into 2 minus 5 is equal to here is 2 is remaining plus 9. So we get in here 16 minus 5 is equal to 11. 11 is equal to 11. So solution set is we get in here 4. Thank you very much for watching. Please